Alright, there's a video for 2HD about exercise 9 and 10 from chapter 6. Chapter 6 is the new chapter about percentages, and here we have to calculate a percentage decrease. It says here, for each of these cases, calculate a new amount and do not round your answer, so we're not going to do that. It says an amount for 85 is decreased by 21%. Well, underneath here I'm going to write down how you should calculate this. If you get a decrease of 21%, that means that you take the original number and you subtract 21% from it. That means that you have 79% left. So that's the number that we're going to calculate with. So we're going to do 0.79, because if you have the percentage, always move the point 2 places, and then you have the number that you can multiply with. We're going to multiply this with 85. Now if you calculate that, then we will get, let me see, 76.15, and this is the answer for 9a. Moving on to 9b, now we have an amount of 280.6, and this has a decrease of 65%. So we'll start in the same way. We'll do 100 minus 65, so that means that you have 35% left, which is not a whole lot. So we're going to do 0.35 times and then 280.6. Now if you calculate that, we get 280.6, we get 98.21, and that's the answer for B. And then we're going to go to exercise C. Here we have an amount of 78.4, and it decreases by 3.1%. So you do 100% minus 3.1%. That means you have 96.9% left. So you move the point 2 places, so you have 0.969, and then you multiply that with 78.4. So let's see what this will be. Times 78.4, and then I get 75.9696. That's what we have to write down. The questions say do not round off, so I have to round down the whole number. So this is the answer for exercise 9. Then we're going to read exercise 10. Here it says, American Sportswear is celebrating. The shop has been open for 12.5 years. Therefore, they're giving everybody a 12.5% discount. Stephanie buys a sweater that costs 138 euros before the discount. She pays with 2 100 euro notes. How much change does she get? Okay, so first we need to calculate how much she needs to pay. So she gets a 12.5% discount. So if you take the original price and you subtract 12.5% from it, you have 87.5% left. Now you move the point 2 places, so you have 0.875, and we multiply that with 138. So then we get times 138, we get 120.75, and that is what she needs to pay for it. Now she pays with 2 100 euro notes, so she pays with 200 euros. So we're going to do 200 minus this number, and then what you have left is the change that she gets back. So this is 79.25 euros. Now remember that if it's about euros, then you have to write down a euro symbol in front of it. So this is the answer for exercise 10. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. Right? Otherwise you can just make the other exercises. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.